Hi guys, and welcome to Cultnomics. My name is Paul Hanley, and today I'm going to be chatting to you about profit maximization. Okay guys, so to explain the concept of profit maximization in terms of a diagram, what we're going to do is start off with an X and Y graph where we have costs up here on the Y-axis and we have the quantity down on the X-axis. What we're also going to put in is the origin point 0 over here. And what we need is two curves on this diagram. The first one is called the marginal revenue curve. This slopes downwards as it's derived from the demand curve, and it shows how total revenue increases when quantity increases. So marginal revenue. The second curve we're going to look at is more a J-shaped curve. This is termed marginal cost, and it shows how total cost changes when output increases by 1 unit. So marginal cost here. To explain profit maximization, I'm going to start with quantity 1 over on the left hand side over here. Quantity 1, so the firm is producing at this point, and the cost of the last unit sold at quantity 1 is indicated by marginal cost, and we'll say this is €2. The marginal revenue, the revenue to take in from the last unit, we'll call 10, which means that at quantity 1 the firm is making a profit on the last unit sold. Difference between 10 and 2, a profit of €8. While that's quite good, the firm can further increase its profit level by shifting up production to Q2. At this point, the cost of the last unit sold is roughly the same at €2. The revenue from the last unit sold has decreased. Let's say it's decreased to €6 over here. However, the key point is that at Q2, the firm is still making a profit on the last unit sold, a profit in this case of 4, that is 6 minus 2, and this extra profit adds to the accumulated total profits. You don't lose any profits coming back here, you're just adding to it every time. Finally, if we look at the center point here where marginal cost and marginal revenue intersect and call that Q3, what happens at Q3 is the firm breaks even on the last unit produced. So let's call that €4. So the extra cost and the extra revenue of quantity 3 is €4. So what this means is it breaks even on Q3. However, it accumulates profits on every previous output level produced, which means that it grows its profits all the way up to this point. If it were to produce at a higher level, let's say at Q4 over here, the firm would start making a loss on its last unit sold. Not overall, but just on its last unit. And this loss is indicated by the difference between its higher marginal cost and lower marginal revenue. What this means is that firm's profit maximizing point is where MC equals MR. This is profit maximization for any firm. I hope you call back to Cultnomics soon. Bye for now.